Boys and girls, today in math, we're going to do some measuring. Earlier this year, we measured some things and we talked about what was longer and what was shorter. And we also looked at putting things in order from the shortest to the tallest or from the tallest down to the shortest. And we're going to go back over that a little bit. Remember, there was a really important word that I wanted you to remember. When we talk about measuring things, we have to make sure that do you remember that big word? Align. We have to align them. When you look at these crayons in my hand, you can't tell which one is the shortest and which one is the longest because you can't see the whole crayon. So I could easily trick you. These crayons look like really that they're all about the same, don't they? But when I show you these crayons, look. One of them is way shorter than the others. So when I'm going to see if they're shortest and longest, I have to align them. I have to make sure they're all the same across the bottom. So I have to get them where they're all exactly the same across the bottom. Then I can see that blue one is way shorter than that green one. But when I first showed it to you, it looked like it was just as tall, didn't it? So when we're measuring things, we have to line them up beside each other and we have to make sure the bottom is exactly the same. We have to align them and then we'll be able to tell things from the shortest to the tallest. Look at these crayons that I have today. I have these crayons here and I want to get them in order from the shortest to the tallest. So I can say, well, this little tiny one is obviously the shortest one. And then I'm going to move them over and I say, well, I know this one is really tall, so it's got to be the tallest one. And let me see, this one, well, let me line them up. Oh, looks like the white one is shorter. Oh, let me align these. Oh, I see that the blue one is shorter than that one, and so the brown one must be a little taller. So there I go. I've got them aligned. They're all the same across the bottom, and I've got them aligned in order from the shortest to the tallest. Today I've got a little game for you to play that I hope you can do with somebody at your house. There's a few things that you're going to need. You're going to need some kind of bag or sack, just anything, a bowl, anything that you can put pieces into. And so you're going to need to get that. You've got a spinner that you can print. If you can't print it, and you can just draw on a piece of paper, and you can just have one side that says longer and the other side that has the word shorter. We just need to show one side shorter and one side longer. And you could just draw that on a piece of paper. And then you're going to need something like some yarn or some ribbon, anything that you can find that you can cut into some pieces. And so I'm going to take this and I'm going to cut this into lots of little pieces, different size pieces. I don't want them all the same. I'm going to cut it into several different size pieces and put those in my bag. And then I'll show you how to play the game. So gather all your supplies and do all that, and then we'll play the game together. Okay, so I've got my bag. And I've cut all my ribbons up into pieces, so I'm going to put them in the bag. Got my spinner, got a paper clip, because we always need a paper clip to spin with, and a pencil to hold it. Okay, I'm going to shake them up. Anna, draw a ribbon out. I forgot to tell you that Anna was going to play this game with us, didn't I? And I'm going to draw a ribbon out. Now, we're going to measure and see whose ribbon is longer and whose is shorter. Remember, we have to align them. We have to get them the same. So let's align them down there, Anna. Oh, look, mine is longer, but that doesn't mean I'm the winner. We're going to spin, and we're going to see if the winner lands on the longer side or the shorter side. So let's spin and see. It landed on shorter. Anna, you're the winner. You get the ribbons. Put them in your pile. We'll see who has the most ribbons at the end. Okay, let's go again. Oh, look, Bennett's come to play with us. Okay, let's going to measure our ribbons. Oh, look, mine's longer again this time. Wonder if longer is going to win this time. You spin and let's see. Shorter one again. Anna wins the ribbons again. Oh, here we go. Let's draw out another one.
Oh, I got it.
Uh-oh, put one back. Okay, here we go.
Still going for short.
Oh, look, I'm longer again. We aligned our ribbons and I'm the long one. Okay, my spin. Oh, land on longer this time. Right in the middle. Spin again. Shorter. Anna wins again. She's beating me bad, y'all. Okay, here we go. Last time. Surely Miss Smith can win something this time, right? Oh, man. Ah, look at there. She the shorter one again every time. Okay, spin, Anna. Oh, let's see if she's going to get it every time. It landed on shorter. She beat me every time. Can you guys believe that? That was funny. Well, I hope you have someone at your house that you can play this game with. It's fun to see because you don't know who's going to win, shorter or longer. But remember to always align your ribbons to see which one is longer or shorter. After you finish playing the game, I want you to go on here on your seesaw activity, and you have some pictures to put in order, and you're going to put them in order from the shortest to the tallest. Then don't forget to look at page 2, because on page 2 I have some math facts for you. We've been learning all these addition facts, and I want you to do these. But today, here's a special trick. I want you to get mom or dad to set a timer for you. And I want you to start, and I want you to see how many of them you can do in 1 minute. When the timer ends at 1 minute, just stop. Don't go any farther. I just want to see how many that you can do in 1 minute. So make sure you time yourself when you do those on page 2. I hope you have fun playing this ribbon game today.